when you need more space, don't forget to look up. So the rafters of this building are already home to some long stock that won't fit anyplace else. But I have an empty space right here, and I think that's where I'm going to, sorry, trying to hide, cover the light. This is where I'm going to hang my sawhorses. So my initial location's not going to work for storing the sawhorses. What I'm going to do, my wife's great idea, is to hang them vertically next to the window over here, and we'll see what that looks like. Alright, so here's the first one hung up. I'll show you brackets. These are ladder brackets, and there's one on each side. So you can see I'm hanging it this way since this is the galvanized steel. It's pretty strong. The sacrificial 2x4 that goes into that trench sits right here, and I'll stack the other one on top of it because they are not physically attached to the sawhorse top, so they'll just fall out. So I'll hang the other one up here, and we'll see how they work, or how they look, know how they work. Alright, there they both are hanging up, and the router table, which is this high, will slide right up in front of that window, and I'll still have plenty of space, probably a good 12 to 16 inches to maneuver material around through there. And you can see both 2x4s are stacked up, and they've got good purchase. The depth of the galvanized, which is about 6 inches or so, are on that ladder bracket, and they're up out of the way because they were taking up precious floor space. So when in doubt, look up.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.